Yeah, CLG, you're going to have you go ahead and work on the weekend and take care of some of those boxes down in the basement. And while you're down there, you can move your desk down there too. Yeah. Yeah, let's go ahead and get on that real quick. This is KA0CLG. It's the H5 repeater. I mean, it's a repeater, guys. Get on it. Oh, I don't know. Here we go. Got these two babies again. I think this one is a little screwed up. This one works. It's the UV5R. This is the TID radio. H8, I believe. I'm not sure if this one works. I don't know. We're going to do a few tests here. And I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Let's test it.
Didn't get the whole call sign there, but I think the suffix was Echo Lima Golf. F0. And hearing you just fine.
That sounds good. The call is Kilo Alpha Zero Charlie KA0 CLG.
Doug. Here, over here in Minneapolis.
TID radio.
Little TiVo handheld here, and
Well, I'll be darned. It does work. Must be on low power. So I'm up here in an office building on the 6th floor and just testing this radio. Last time I did this, a couple videos back, I was using the old trusty Baofeng UV5R. I had no problem getting in the repeater up here, but for some reason, I think I'm on high power. I don't know what's going on here, but I just wanted to see if the radio worked. These are the only two 2-meter HTs that I have in operation right now. They're both pretty good radios. I don't know. This one's pretty old, the old Baofeng. You guys don't have seen these around, but I've had this one for quite a while. I think it's pretty good. I don't know. It's Chinese, I don't know. This one, it's, I don't know, TID radio. They have some third-party stuff you can use to program this one with. And then they have this radio, I don't know. Same thing, it's a GMRS, which I know nothing about. 2-meter, something I gotta probably try to get into. So, I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and say 73s, yeah.